Everything for me, mo be a call Shokopa, SRB, Casa TV. Sene, your first time on Casa TV. I must also be subscribing to Casa TV. You like, you comment, you share, and then you click on the notification button for more news updates. Send I'm sure be a name and I'm a say, Mene Cape Coast Youth MP, a honorable Savior Amero Godfrey, and I say, or sir, a vice chairman. Appointment of Parliament. Nebusiafo, and they be discussing about the case of Chairman Wontumi and then also matters arriving. If you won't come home, now you will near my honorable Godfrey, Aquaba Shokopa, Embra a Casa TV. So, honorable, Memo Aquaba, Eba a Casa TV.
We also Miss Wendy and
yeah,
Medawas in Akonia and a Pemodia Mamese. Emrana in summer. A course of my Ghana,
okay.
From the youth's point of view.
Okay.
A kind meeting kitchen on a media with tier 4. Tier 4 Muti and Cancer TV. Mungo so and Timu Pen Sema coach Cobre mine, Nano Cretrudo Mungo so and Tea and Cancer TV. I'm even chairman constituent. Youth and working coast not in a Michiamina. I'm a venture, I can see my boss, honorable criminal minta. Nyako, Cape Coast not MP. I'm a venture man. I'm a venture back home, honorable Adama Suleiman Ramsey, or MP 14, or one of the people who inspired me. Recently, he was ranked as the 3rd best performing MP in Ghana, and he has had a whole lot of impact on me. So, Mendra, I mean, you know, my main friend check is
okay. Every for a chia baby, yeah, chiamu, a year, Cape Coast North, a year Mancasamo, MP, youth MP, and a cham. So, yeah, chassis and then como, said the American chassis. So honorable. So, Cecilia, about the case of Chairman Wontumi. What's your reaction? So recently, you say Nema Bibri now in the course of court. Still now, you did not go prison, but other soccer courts. What's your reaction on this case?
Okay, thank you. Yeah. First of all, it's a moment to me some media, Bibri. Yeah. It's a minute dozen. I think I'm from a human point of view, compassion and power. We feel some a year much about it because they were got 20 years. Yeah. And no one and crown can we and CCI can say you can find the things away near the courts for 2 different cases. And also, you bet to me cry seeing jelly no more. And you know, it's about to mean some idea. Also, but the question here is that we have to look at the legal aspect of it, not just emotions. You know, the question is it fair from the law point of view? Yeah, because a whole lot of people have been jailed. Usually, here for the ordinary Ghanaians, you might be life imprisonment near there. And you can see the only reason I'm awake, as some can see and say, a chairman to me, or a politician, or Sika, NPP, Ashanti regional chairman, and one of our wing in Ama. By the end of the day, if say Mrana channel say with the Bonibi and the Angelina, then it's fair. Let's allow the laws of the country to work.
Okay, honorable me no. So Sisiano said the okay, you know, see a man 20 years in prison. And the young fan say any ordinary Ghanaian. This year we know the reaction coming from I don't know any political party members, and then also the reactions coming from the opposite and political party, which is NDC party. Yeah, well, other political parties are almost so their reactions in Yamba but you say behind the scenes no almost didn't come. And you know, you share a year 20 years now, dear money now. If you feel say a year too big, what's your take on it?
Okay, the issue of whether the 20 years is fair and I say a year too harsh, you know, it's a matter that we have to look at from the law point of view. Yeah. Now, and some judge, everyone will be sentenced. Mra, you will sentence be a bonibia will be the bian. mra ewo ho range a ye de bema I say judge no pick years within punishment within that range not the amount. Now one thing it is interesting to note is before 2019 and as in chama Wontumi and the maximum chama Wontumi would have spent in prison would have been 5 years.
Oh wow.
Yes. That is because before now law on this mining thing, it's the Minerals and Mining Act 2006 number passes along. Now the maximum sentence you could get 5 years. However, President Akufo-Addo 2016 Rebecca Galamsey a campaign part to the point of saying he's willing to put his presidency on the line into Oba, and in 2019 and almost some rano to move it from a maximum of 5 years to a minimum of 15 years and a maximum of 25 years. Inti chama Wontumi here no ono one party you beka mesa ono one party na besa samra no ekwe no minimum of 15 and a maximum of 25. So the judge no couldn't have given chama Wontumi less than 15 years according to him rano. It's between 20 and 25. So money. And then na chama Wontumi side no plead, and then the prosecution and also the side no they were seeking for maximum sentence. So I think that the judge look at it, okay, 15, 20, 25. Momu plead this money minimum. Most plead this money maximum. Then I have struck the balance on the money 20 years. So yes, from the law point of view, Ube feels a hash, but Mrande say Obidi Boni bisa the minimum you could be the betting is 15, the maximum is 25. So from that point of view.
So yes, that means a year or no any party you waiting yakase asset trap and no one kasa
or no any party na set it.
Okay, so yeah about that no. Yes, in same way a CCC a year the or no any utterances ne kasa be or kind and leading to this particular point or come CCA. And yeah, share no TV station and then radio station. You got to a point a day or the good about TV to say Galamsey good and or the other. Now you sure or cancer same way long ago. It's then no mujina susia at the bonus bull. Probably Siciano, it could be say we jai and I say ujai. So my auntie say a bono.
Ever they say what we be some way. Now, one thing we need to note and is criminality has no expiry date. In law, Udi Bonia, there is no expiry date to Bonina wedding.
Okay.
It will be to make the Bonibi 20 years ago. Maybe cry now will be ancho. But if after 20 years you need evidence, so now Udi Bonina. And found say was a son, I be cry, what by yourself for Obi and him so is here in Papa. And no one found and Peppa Bonina would do.
Okay.
Once we get concrete evidence against you, say we did Bonnie way 20 years ago, they can base on that and jail you. Now with Chama Wontumi, yes, in your trances be one, and as a young man and then a young politician, I am taking lessons from the say.
Sure.
Sometimes when you power your utterances, a bit may put you in trouble, because I feel like. Say when I wear judge and okra na wo judge Chama Wontumi na person hu ne moba. Some of Chama Wontumi videos ye bot cherewa e hono kra be shewe bufu.
Yeah, to say go the day or the bad.
Or the bad say. And in some no ke kan. Sorry. Em say one day in dream ho da. Me wure fi say political power na the man expire every 4 years.
Yeah.
So across the border he became all powerful, thinking that like Obi Ntumi and every. And then he was directly throwing challenges to the president, currently the president, then no former president. And now Wontumi and also Obi jelly no Obi to me jelly me Chama Wontumi. And you see he made a statement. The statement he made was that even if so Galamsey now, what is the difference between legal and illegal? The difference is just a document.
Yeah.
So even if so illegal now, no need to say Obo copy documents and they draw their back in the case now. So now the question is, okay, who names answer? So why didn't you get the necessary document to back them up? It's your no set a trap. Send me a becker. The cheap ego. It's Nenkasa any idea I'm one. But the issue of say a channel, this issue of criminality or illegality started from Anuana by name person.
Yeah.
Mrana Jenapo, Minister for Lands and Natural Resources, then under the NPP.
Yeah.
Or make a key statement can say, whatever operation, whatever it is that Wontumi is doing in the forest is illegal. So he stopped. Anuana by the Minister for Lands and Natural Resources came to say that. But the watching Wontumi, it is one reason a man for say. So Wontumi was some way on President Akufo-Addo. Because after the minister said that what Wontumi was doing was illegal, 2 or 3 months later, President Akufo-Addo came to public to come and defend Wontumi, say he was not engaging in illegal mining. So I guess Wontumi feeling relaxed. And now, to see he's in prison, President Akufo-Addo is nowhere to be found.
Wow. For Yechichim Kume na okay, say over our videos on Nkasa TV, you click on the notification button, you like, and then also you comment on our comment section. And say bebreda indi komoni we yala suguso bobo and I say ye about the case of Chairman Wontumi. So you be discussing about other matters arising and all that. Honorable, so sisi no you see amafo keka bebrena keka say Chairman Wontumi case we enye fe in the sense that abra okay nyemfa ne say abra ono ne party ni wo aban no o kan same bebre ti say de wo kan bi sisi apa ni NDC party ene wa aban no ene ya chi no nti nipa bebre na age say judicial system no is not being fair in the sense that as a bino share and as a judiciary share under the influence of the government. I say, you see, I say chairman war NPP, and now we must war NDC. In see, ye say ye chairman say ye near power. See the be no. A mama will say yes, men are more power. I'll do it. Into now, we are share about this one. No, say a judiciary no, or more ye fair, and I say they are not being fair.
First of all,
okay.
Like I say, the politicians, they know what they are doing to themselves. Why is it that say NDC by power, 9 BP say they are influencing the judiciary? NDC free power, 9 BP back. They also accuse the NDP of doing the same thing.
Yeah.
So they know what they've been doing to themselves. That one matters of one or money. So there may be some influence, but let's speak to the facts that are available to us that we know.
Okay.
Is there a judicial influence? There may be, but right now I would say no, because the NPP in power now almost sets a precedent. Now, another thing that is interesting about Wontumi case is that apart from the fact that law nature, NPP following the best signing, and harsh. Again, judge now or judge Wontumi, President Akufo-Addo appointed. Judge Kokovi was appointed by President Akufo-Addo into the court. So the judge that convicted him or that sentenced him was appointed by his own party. The law that got him arrested and jailed was also amended by his own party. So the NDC will also have a case here. Where is the judicial influence here? And again, I will refer to statement me former President Akufo-Addo make here.
Okay.
And at the time, no one make arrests, certain arrests, and the opposition by then, NDC were also saying, say, the judiciary were being influenced by the executive. And a international issue. Now, President Akufo-Addo called an international media, France 24, to go and grant interview. And this is what he said. He said the courts in Ghana are independent from the beginning of the Fourth Republic. And it hasn't changed. So, the courts are doing their work. People misbehave and misconduct themselves. And they get dealt with by the courts. And you know, sir, Obi, said you couldn't say Munas a court china. And you know, and I'm a channel. So any arrests that have been made has nothing to do with the executive. So if the court has been independent from 1990 to the beginning of the Fourth Republic, then okay. So that's what President Akufo-Addo said. So what has changed now? You get it? Yeah. So with this, you know, based on these facts, and said that in favor the NPP Nisa because certain arguments they made in the past when they were in power, no, as fight against them. But as I said, the two political parties, they know what they've been doing to themselves closed doors, behind us. So with the facts available the judiciary are doing their work. But then into blame. So yesterday I think Afenyo was the Attorney General warning to go and forcing and stuff.
Yeah.
So maybe as you see, they meet my catch my boss. I'm not about Afenyo Mark and say President Akufo-Addo say and you're not a jelly in for Ghana. And you're caught into your panicho and you're out of forcing in the jelly for Ghana. And you're caught into Viviania.
Okay, so and yes, I'm my ginger, but you baby a question when you say any NDC and I say any MPP in Kwan and there was some criminal cases. NDC for also was some criminal cases, but CLI is the case say omo de no sisi ano yente hwe, but omo focus on chairman the NP say omo try all their possible best. No more for arrested. So it could be say no and no more say judiciary no any independent.
Yes, if that is the case, then they have a point. They have a point. But the Deputy Attorney General, I think some few days ago, after say Wontumi, and say these cases it involves a lot of investigations.
Yeah.
You need to get the evidence against the person to be able to prosecute them. So there are so many cases being involved some of the NDC members. They are still in the process of investigation. They cannot prosecute them.
Sure.
This is here. Wontumi they not starting. Any evidence, any HLA. So they are saying say the evidence against the others, they will prosecute them as well. See where they in better form. Na ya hwe say ampa omobeye adwuma no na prosecute nkrofo ni bi. If they found them guilty and now say you better me say Wontumi na ya targeting the agent and we na ya to yadwum. That one day we will leave it for posterity to judge.
Okay. Obviously for common majority ayo de my old say no e ma won kwa wontie share ma wadafo share ma mama bi papa bi no mo say yes in Kasa TV yanso ye afemu de ama ne ma papa ekoso o manga na ma say ye nyina ya so ayede at TV